up? What up? What up? Good morning. Let me send out a few links. I'll be on in just a second. I'm going to send out a few links. I'll be on in just 1 second, y'all. All right, y'all, we're starting to see some action here. All right. That buy order was perfect. 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 What's up, Birdman? What's up, Jay Free? What's up, Big Rees? J.A., what's up? Kai Supreme, what's up? Let's go. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. If we can break out of this ascending channel to the upside, this is going to be extremely bullish, y'all. Going to be extremely bullish. All right. So we want to see a break above this ascending, sloping resistance here. Press like. Everyone press like. If you're just hopping in, go ahead and press that like button for me. Press that thumbs up for me. I appreciate y'all. AMC's current price is $5.16. $5.16. AMC's current price is $5.16. We have GME at $21.12. $21.12. We got SPY sitting at $4.48. $4.48. Seeing a green day on all three so far. Did place a buy order on AMC. Again, do not copy my trades. I do think we're going to see bullishness here for AMC. It's going to pop on the... All right, so we want to see a clean break above this. Let me go ahead and pop on the bands. All right, so we're overextended on the bands right now, y'all. RSI getting a little hot, but this is a good start to the day. This is what we want to see. All right, all right. Only 25,000 shares left. Look at the calls. Yep. Let's get it. Let's get it. All right, we're a little overextended on these bands. So we're seeing price come back inside the bands. This is normal. This is all very normal. Let's go ahead and go to the... So we got a clean rejection off of that trend line there. Okay, so this is going to be our clear resistance. You guys can see our top line of resistance. It's going to be resistant throughout the day. Now, if we can break this resistance, you guys are going to see AMC go nuts. So this is going to be a line to watch today. If we can break this resistance, we're going to see AMC go nuts. Look at that. Perfect, perfect recovery off of that. Thank you. Holla at you from England. I appreciate you. Good morning, Benjamin. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. I appreciate y'all being here. Thank you for your time. I appreciate y'all. Let's watch these charts. Let's go ahead and get a line of resistance here. So this is going to be our support level right here at $5. We want to see this hold as support. So we're going to be in between this range here. We got this ascending resistance and support right here. We got a clean start to the day. Only 25,000 shares are left available to borrow. And then we also have 38,000 calls expiring in the money at $6. If we get 70,000, I do apologize, 70,000 at 6. All right, look at this gamma ramp, y'all. So we got a nice gamma ramp here. All right, so we want to hold this line as support. We also have support here on the Bollinger Bands at $5.03, and then support here at 505 or $5 even. I do apologize. No, it's $5. It's 505 and 503. We want to see how this reacts here. If we get a strong wick off of this, this will look good. We want to see a strong wick off of this support right here. We want to hold this line of support, and we want to watch out for the rest of those shares. They got about 25,000 left. Let's go ahead and check out the dark pool data. All right, so dark pool volume for today is at 46%. Dark pool volume for today is at 46%. Big Rees, what up? Mario, what up? Alex, Alexa, Mario, Tin, thank you all for being here. Whimsy Chick, holla at you. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's Money Monday, you know it. Money Monday, Money Monday, Money Monday. Money Monday, Money Monday, hey. Money Monday. All right, so we're breaking resistance here. We want to hold these levels. We want to hold these levels. Now we got strong support here on the Bollinger Bands, y'all. We got strong support here on the midline on the bands. You see how that used it as support? We want to see this hold. A pullback is normal. This is to be expected. We had a strong sign of strength right here this morning. This is very, very good. And we're getting a beautiful wick right now when we just closed that candle. This is beautiful. This is exactly what you want to see for more upside. We're getting a nice green candle here. Let's get some boom boom in the room. Let's get these green candles. Hey. 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 Good morning, everyone. What up, Robert? What up? Big Rees. Hey, press that like for me, y'all. Press that like for me, y'all. Go ahead and press that like button. Did it drop the stream? I might have just dropped stream, y'all. About to see. About to see. About to see. Hopefully it didn't. I was messing with the internet again, y'all. I shouldn't have been doing that. All right, so we're getting a nice bounce of recovery. Looks like stream's still on. All right, we good. You guys might get a little bit of lag, but my fault. You already know what it is. All right, so we're getting a strong recovery here, getting a strong recovery. This looks real good. Let's go and check out this dark pool Stonko tractor. Zero shares available to borrow. Zero shares available to borrow, y'all. Zero shares. We about to go. Can you say buy order? Zero shares left, y'all. All right, we Gucci. Let's go. I got a couple hundred on this one, man. I need this one to roll. All right, so we're going to watch for resistance at this level here. Hold on. We're going to watch for heavy resistance at $5.12, y'all. $5.12 is going to be heavy resistance. Now, remember, I did say, based off the bars pattern, we would be at, hold on, now I did say based off the bars pattern, y'all, we would be at $5.10 by Tuesday, by today. Y'all remember that, right? The bars pattern is tracking beautifully, y'all. This is going very, very well. As this goes on each day, longer and longer, I'm getting more and more and more confident. This is getting without a shadow of a doubt good. But you have to remember, nothing's 100% in the market, so we got to stay on our toes. We cannot just put all our money in one bag hoping that's going to go to the moon, y'all. All right, we got excellent connection back. I switched the internets midstream. I don't know how it worked, but it worked. Yeah, we need the algo to speed up. So the bars pattern, I'm going to go over it in the video. But the bars pattern, I'm going to go over the bars pattern in the video. I'm going to drop a video today too. But the algo speeds up and slows down, and that's why the pattern is not exactly the same. But you'll see the same fractals within the patterns. Okay, we're coming up to heavy resistance. Look at the Bollinger Band starting to expand. So we're starting to get some leeway here. Let's go ahead and pop on the alligator and see what we got going on with the alligator. We want to see if we have a lot of momentum right now. We want to keep this momentum. Y'all. We got 0 shares available to borrow. They used everything. They're losing control. Each and every day. I don't know if you guys seen this since I've been streaming. And some people from the Discord might remember this, but they are losing control. If you guys notice, each and every day, they're becoming less and less effective at pushing us down. We've watched on stream where they have literally just wrecked us. They have wrecked us before with like a million short shares. They just totally obliviated us. This was back when we ran up to like $8, and they just annihilated us. I watched that on stream, and they're becoming less and less effective. We got the alligator looking really good. It looks like we're going to be able to break this resistance when we come up to it. All right, let's go ahead and AMC's current price, $5.11. $5.11. GameStop is currently seeing a red day right now. Now, GameStop's going to be a little bit tricky. We're going to talk about GameStop here in a second, because I did call for a lower low on GameStop, unfortunately, before we take off. I don't believe GameStop hit its spring yet. So I do believe we might see a lower low on GameStop. We'll talk about GameStop here in a second. I want to keep an eye on AMC. We're using the alligators as support. This is really bullish. Oh, this is SPY. My fault. All right, so SPY's looking good right now as well. SPY's looking bullish for more upside. I don't know if anyone's playing calls or whatever. But SPY's looking good for more upside here. You're going to want to watch this resistance level, though, at 449. You want to watch 449 here on SPY. It's going to be heavy resistance for SPY, 449. So watch that resistance. I do expect an overall uptrend here on SPY, though, to continue. Here on the hourly time frame, it looks good. You just got a fresh MACD flip. It does look like momentum might be dying out here on SPY. So you want to watch for a reversal here. Now let's go ahead and check out GME stock, see what's going on with GME. And then we're going to hop back into AMC, giving you guys live analysis and technicals on AMC. So we can see GME coming back inside of this wedge here. This is something typical of this bearish downtrend that we're in. So unfortunately for GME right now, it's in a bit of a bear trend. We're seeing a bit of a bear trend to the downside on GME stock. If you guys look right here, this alligator is very expanded. It did lose some of its width here, but they never officially crossed. You can see. And if we go on the 4-hour time frame, you guys will see that they never really crossed. So unfortunately, I do think GME is actually going to come back down to about 19 bucks and get a spring off of 19, and from 19 head up from there. I do not think this is going to affect AMC. I think AMC spring was back here at this low. There was also a low of $4, but we hit 390 here in after hours. In pre-market, we hit 390. I do believe that was the spring for AMC, and I do believe we'll see continued upside. Right now, we're in this ascending channel. This looks perfect, y'all. This looks really good. Bullish MACD flip here. RSI is getting a little hot, but it's still in the mid-range. It's getting a little hot, but still in the mid-range, so we got plenty of room to run. That's just me being conservative. We're also in an overall uptrend, if you guys can see that marked here in blue. We're in an overall uptrend. This looks very good for continued upside here on AMC stock. Let's go ahead and check out some of the chat. Had my already at $4.99. Yeah, so the ideal buying spot would have been back here last week to buy. Either last week or the week before. You would already be up like. I can't wait till this thing starts squeezing. I'd be alive on here, though. We're going to go crazy when this thing goes squeeze. Hey, y'all, if you haven't, though, I see 50 likes, but I see 100 viewers. If you won't mind, just go ahead and drop that like button if you don't mind. Hit that like button for me. Press that thumbs up. What's up, Jay Boogie? Let me shut this down. All right, looks like AMC might have a chance to really get some momentum here. If you guys look at the alligator, we're in an uptrend, and it's already curling up. Now, we want to see what happens here on earnings. Now, historical context, AMC is normally dumped after earnings. Me, personally, I do think this earnings will be different. I could be entirely wrong. All right, we're starting to see a little bit of the curl to the downside here. So we might consolidate. We had a nice sign of strength here. I want to see $5 and, let's see. I want to see $5 and, let's see. At least, we want to see 505 hold. We want to see this level of support hold right here. And then we have support at $5 even. Let's go ahead and move this down. All right, so support's actually going to be at 490. Looks like 496 to be exact. 495, 496 in that range. All right, here's our support levels for today. We have 505, 490. We're getting a clean bounce off of this. This looks really good. All right, we're getting a clean bounce here. AMC's current price is 508, 508. All right, let's go down to the 1 minute. Okay, so on the 1 minute here, we have a possible bull flag forming. This is on the micro time frame, so this is not going to be as reliable as the macro time frame. I want you guys to understand that. But we do have a possible bull flag forming right here, which would give us a breakout to the upside to be able to break this up sloping resistance line marked here in turquoise. If we can consolidate and get a push up, we could see a possible move to the upside. I want to see where the next high is of this run to get a top, and that will give me more of an idea. But it looks like we have a slight uptrend here. Alligator starting to curl. This is all on the 1 minute. This is the micro time frame. AMC's current price 507. GME is currently 20.55. 20.55. SPY is currently at 448.29. 448.29. We're seeing Bitcoin at 28,900. About to break back into 29K. We'll look at Bitcoin in a second. I'm a strong believer that Bitcoin is gonna go to the moon. All right, so we're looking at a bit of a doji here on the 1 minute time frame. A little bit of downwards momentum. We're seeing a little bit of downwards momentum. Now, again, we do have 0 shares available to borrow. I'm not seeing much signs of algorithmic trading here. I'm sure they're doing it, but I'm not seeing like blatant signs of it. I appreciate y'all for being here. All right. All right, this looks good. This is looking good, y'all. If we can get a flip of momentum here on the alligator, let's check out the MACD. So look at the MACD. All right, we're starting to build some bullish momentum. It looks like we're going to go into a bit of an uptrend. Looks like we could see a high of about 512. We want to see this 512 resistance level. It looks like we're going to go up to retest 512. All right, we're seeing the alligator start to flip. This is looking good. All right, we're about to get this bullish cross too here on the MACD on the 1 minute time frame. So if we can get this flip here, this will look good. I want to see that MACD flip, and it looks like we're going to get a clean up trend to about 512. All right, forming a bit of a doji here. This is to be expected. This is going to be a micro resistance level at this level here. Let's get that MACD flip. All right, looking good. Go AMC, go AMC. All right, again, we're looking for a price target of 512 off of this rally here. So it looks like we're going to get a clean up trend to about 512. Let's see if that plays out. Looks like we're getting this MACD flip. Looking good, looking good, looking good. We want to see a push up to 512, 512, 512, baby. Let's go. All right, you guys see this alligator starting to curl to the upside, starting to get a bullish cross on the alligator, and starting to get a bullish cross on the MACD. This is letting us know that we're getting bullish momentum back in. We also have a possible double bottom off of this level here. This is looking extremely good for more upside, y'all. This is looking really good for more upside here on the micro time frame. We're on the 1 minute time frame. We want to see volume come in a little bit. We're a little low on volume. If you guys can see the volume down here, we're a little low on volume, so we want to see that volume come in, and we want to see this MACD flip. All right, looks like we are going to hit this price target of 512, 512. Getting that clean uptrend from down here. We called that. We called this uptrend here to 512. All right, so what we want to watch now is the reaction off of these levels here. We want to watch these levels closely, 510, 512, 511 in this range here. All right, we want to watch this closely. We got a clean flip on the alligator, and I bet the MACD just crossed. Yes, it did. Okay, so we got a clean MACD cross. We need our full price target of 512, though. Getting a little bit of pullback. This is to be expected. Let's see where we find support. We want a clean break of this purple line here. My thoughts on Bigums. I'm not gonna talk about bro. I think if I were to speak on it, I would say that I think he has a pretty decent following. I think that he's backed into a corner, and he might not really know what to do at this point. But it seems like a certain group of YouTubers they're kind of just gone off the deep end for real. Some of the stuff they're saying is wild now. Because, like, Adam Aaron for real ain't our friend. It's very obvious. And it's just crazy how they'll, like, support this man that's robbing them. Yeah, man, I don't know, bro. Yeah, CSI be getting on, bro. CSI, like, I don't have no problem with none of these dudes. Like, I don't want to sit here and make a toxic community and talk about none of these dudes or not like that. But CSI be tripping, bro. Like all of these dudes contribute good things to the community. I think all of them have done good things and helped the community. But at this point, a lot of them are like, I don't know, man. I don't know, man. I don't know. This YouTube stuff ain't cut out for everybody. I don't know, man. All right, we're starting to see a rejection off of this level of resistance here. It looks like we're forming a bit of a bull flag. We're starting to see the alligator curl to the downside as well. So we're going to watch this. We also got a MACD cross to the bear side. So we want to watch how we react here. This is going to be crucial. I do think we're going to be consolidating here throughout the rest of the day. Or not the rest of the day, I do apologize. Into about 10:45, 11 o'clock. Around 10:45, 11 o'clock, we should see a movement. But I do think we're actually going to consolidate here for a second and get a break at around that time. So we will see how that plays out. This acted as a clean line of resistance here. You guys can see we have multiple touch points. 1, 2, 3. We only have 2 on here, so we need to validate this as support. I want to see another touch line on this if possible. We also have this horizontal support here at $5.05, and then we have resistance at $5.12. AMC currently consolidating in between those levels. Go AMC. Go AMC. All right, so it might get a little bit boring here. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Might be a little bit boring. If you look at the MACD, it's kind of just like chilling, doing the like green, red flip, green, red flip. So it's gonna kind of like just chill. So I'm gonna look at this chat, see what's popping in the chat, yo. What's up, Lee? They said CSI is a drunk. Who's expecting to squeeze this week? Not me, brother. Unfortunately, not this week. I mean, anything could happen. I would love to be wrong about it. But let's see if we're still on the threshold security list. I'll check real quick for y'all. It only updates like every other day. Yeah, we're still on as the 4th, but not confirmed for today yet. But as of Friday, we're still on. But not for today. I don't have 100% confirmation for today. But we've been on for like over a month. Look. Here's 8-2. Here's 7-3. We've been on for a month, y'all. You see that? Here's 7-3. 8-3. We've been on for over a month. 30 days. I believe GME was on threshold security list for like 35 before it went to 500. Bro, the squeeze is lining up, y'all. All right, we want to watch this break here. We could have a potential pattern playing out of a double top. We want to hold this support. I don't see that much bearish momentum. We good. I don't see that. Yeah, I don't see that much bearish momentum. Remember, we're looking for like 5, 10, 5. We're in the range we need to be for today. For tomorrow, I am expecting upside. We do want to see upside. The bars pattern is calling for a little bit of upside. We'll look at it in the video. And then it's calling for a retest of 490 and then a spring. We'll talk about that. All right, looks like we got a strong support here at 505. We want to watch this level. This level is going to be key. I do expect a bit of consolidation. And I do want to retest this blue line if possible. If we can get another confirmation of this blue line down here, this dotted blue line. Yeah, we've been on the threshold security list for a month, y'all. All of the YouTubers fell off the deep end. Well, listen, brother. Z-Wade, I can tell you right now, Z-Wade, that a lot of them can't trade. I can tell you that right now, bro. I can tell you that right now. You can tell by the way they talk they can't trade, bro. There's no way they're profitable in the market. There's no way. Bro, the market is a zero-sum game, bro. I'm not sitting here like trying to brag, but you got to be nice to be profitable. You got to have rules. You got to be nice. I'm setting it up so I can start trading with y'all live here. I'm just going to start having it. Once I get the streams and everything good and everything good quality and everything up on the up and up, I'm going to get an account. And at the very minimum, I'm going to be doing paper trades here on Webull. That not financial advice, but if you want to look at the screen and maybe, you know what I mean, you can do that. But I advise everyone to not follow my trades. Never follow my trades. Anything I say is not financial advice. Please contact a financial advisor for any financial decisions. But we setting up paper trading soon, at the minimum. All right, let's see what we're looking at here. So it looks like momentum's flipping. It looks like we're going to get another. Yes. So it looks like we're going to get another retest of this blue line. So it looks like price is going to come back up to about 510. 510. We want to see it come to about 510. Up in this range here. Looks like the alligator's flipping. Looks like we're getting bullish momentum as well. This is bullish. Let me zoom out to get a little bit of context here. Okay, so here on the 5-minute. Okay, so here's what we're going to want to watch for. We want to watch for this MACD flipping to the bear side. This is probably going to flip around. We'll probably get a bearish cross around 11 o'clock. 10:45, 11 o'clock. 10:45, 11 o'clock. We'll probably get a bearish cross, which is right around tip of the wedge. Okay. All right, so we're going to want to watch for that. So around 10:45, 11 o'clock, we're going to look for the MACD flip to the bear side on the 5-minute. But here on the 1-minute, we're looking really good to get more upside. We got a bullish MACD cross. Okay, we are testing that blue level as expected. Getting a possible breakout. Let's see. It looks like we do have the momentum to break this now. So we want to watch this. It looks like we do have the momentum to break it. Okay, so we just called this rally here, this little rally here up to this 510. What we want to look for now is coming up to about 512. 512. It looks like we do have the momentum to do it. We want to watch for a retest of this blue line as support. We want to retest this blue line as support. All right, so we want to watch this very carefully. Kind of looks like a cup and handle. Let's see. Let me see if I see that. It would be a rough. Your cup would be up here. I don't really see it, Steve, to be honest. I don't see it. The most I would see is a possible triple bottom right here. Bottom 1, bottom 2. And that would send us back up to 515, 519. This triple bottom here. And it looks like that's what's playing out right now. All right, so we definitely just got a clean retest of this resistance level. You guys would think I move these lines right the way they work. You guys would think I move these things, right? All right, y'all. So look, we got this nice double bottom, triple bottom playing out. We got bottom 1, bottom 2, bottom 3. That's going to send us way back up here to 515. We want to watch this resistance level, though. It looks like we're possibly retesting it as support. We might get a major breakout. I don't want to get too excited, y'all. We might get a major breakout to the upside. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. We might be retesting this level as support. We want to watch this closely. We are getting major momentum here. A lot of volume just came in. All right, this is looking beautiful. Happy Monday, y'all. All right, so here's what we are looking for. We're looking for a clean retest of this level here. We might have one possible retest of this. This triple bottom is playing out The price target for that is this 519. Let's go ahead and move our ranges. All right, guys, things might get crazy today. We might get crazy today. Man, that was a good buy order. All right, what we're going to be looking for now, we're overextended on RSI. We're overextended on RSI, so we're going to see a top here. Let's just see where we're at. Hold on. RSI is topping. We got MACD starting to crow. What we want to do is come back down and retest this level of support. We want to come back down and retest this level of support. All right, hold on, guys. 523, 523, 523, 523. Not financial advice. Do not follow my trades. All right, guys. All right, guys. Let's go. Let's go. This is exactly what you want to see. This is exactly what you want to see. All right, let's go ahead and pop on the Bollinger Bands and see what's popping. 525, 525, 525, 525. All right, we're overextended right now. In a little bit of a squeeze mode. This is not the squeeze, not the MOAS or anything, but a little bit of a squeeze mode. What I mean by that is we are outside of the bands making a parabolic move to the upside. When you are outside of the bands like this and going straight to the upside using the bands as support, that is a parabolic move. Currently coming back down to retest the bands as support. I expect price to come back inside of the bands. If we can use the bands as support, though, we're going to continue the parabolic move. Parabolic moves are a little bit harder to read because they top out and they top out fast. You want to be looking at the bands as support. RSI is already overbought. So we are looking for a top. Adam Aaron tweeted and tried to stop momentum today, but it's too late, Adam. It's too late, Adam. This is going to be a really good week, guys. It's going to be a really good week. All right, we're coming back inside of the bands. This is normal and to be expected. This is normal to be expected. So very strange market today. Very strange market. We have AMC up 5.78%. We have GME down 1.55%. And APE down as well. Now, this is not to say that I still think AMC, GME, and APE are all going to run together. I do believe that GME has a little bit more of downside before it reaches its spring, but all of it will line with a rally together. And, of course, if AMC runs, GME will run. If GME runs, AMC will run, vice versa. I know there's people like Moran's Rant saying that they're different stocks and stuff like that. Listen, bro, for a short squeeze, that stuff don't matter, my dude. Your order books and all that whatnot, it don't matter, my bro. But, you know, to each their own. Everybody do their own thing. I wish we could all just get along, honestly, for real, for real. Some of these dudes I couldn't fool with, but like, I mean, there's got to be one or two YouTubers out here, right? One thing about the AMC community, man, we need to stop this like infighting, man. All right, so AMC's current price, $5.23. We are looking for a pullback, but AMC is fighting strong. A lot of buying pressure coming in. We want to look at what's going on. Okay, so I wanted to point this out earlier, guys. Also, institutions are buying. Short interest is at 29.5%. AMC's current cost to borrow is sitting at 220% and rising. It looks like we're going to be able to use 519 as support. Guys, this is really bullish, y'all. Look at what's happening. We're breaking to the upside of this ascending channel. I want to see us come back down and use this as support. If we can get a confirmation of this as support, we're going to see liftoff. Possibly to $6, $6.20. Yes, I do believe we're going to be returning to $6 very, very soon. I do believe we're going to be returning to $6 and then have that consolidation period. I'm going to have to look at the bars pattern to be just 100% sure. Right now, we are outside of the bands on the 4-hour time frame. So let's keep our head on tight. But it looks very, very squeezy. Look at the 4-hour right now, y'all. This looks... Man, look at the bands. This is all right, y'all. We have to remember we have buy signals all over the place on the daily. Let's go ahead and check some of that out. All right, y'all, peep game. This is where it gets real. All right, you guys see this falling wedge that we have right here? If you guys been watching the channel for a while, we tracked this wedge. This wedge, I had said, would take us to $6.20. That's exactly what we did. We retested $6.20. So... we have the breakout of the wedge, retested $6.20. Coming back down, using $4.50 as support, which is key because I want you guys to notice. Let me turn this line white. All right, so... we have the breakout of the falling wedge. We have a push to the upside, retesting $6.20. Then we come back down using $4.40 as support. This is key. Why is this key? Because we were trading in this lower range before that. We got the push to the upside, and we used that previous range as support. As you guys can see, we were under the white line, and now we are using the white line as support. Ever since then, we have been in an overall uptrend. I do believe this is part of what's called a Wyckoff accumulation schematic. If you guys have seen my videos, I've played that out. If you guys have seen my YouTube or my streams, I've played that out as well. But basically, the Wyckoff accumulation takes you back to this white line. You also have a macro triple bottom. We have 3 bottoms off of $3 and $3.80 around that region. Here in after hours, we tested, I believe it was 390 around here, somewhere in this range. So you have bottom number 1, bottom number 2, bottom number 3. This will take you all the way back to that $18 level. If we go ahead and look at Wyckoff accumulation. AMC's current price, $5.16. All right, we're coming back down to test this line of support. This is what you want to see. This is actually bullish. This is actually bullish. We want to use this line as support. Let's go ahead and watch this for a second here. We did get the breakout of this bull flag. So we have this bull flag, bullish accumulation, push to the upside. Again, we had this rally, bullish accumulation, push to the upside. What we want to see now is using this line as support. Sell block orders at 514 and 519. Yeah, that's to be expected. All right. So it looks like we're finding support here. Let's go ahead and pop one. Let's see. Let's see what we got. All right, look where we're retesting support. This is bullish. This is bullish, y'all. All right, we're looking for this level to hold as support. We want to see this level hold as support. If we can hold this level as support, we could see a push up to about 550 easily. But we need to hold this as support. This is going to be a crucial test for AMC. Volume coming down to the downside. Low volume when the downtrend is good, though. We're seeing low volume on the downtrend. I apologize if you guys are seeing audio quality. I do apologize. I'm going to take a break at 12 o'clock, see what I can do. Until then, I'm just rocking out. So y'all can just complain in the chats if y'all want, or just not watch. But it is what it is. Can't please everybody. I'm sorry. Got to keep the show rolling, though. All right, we're getting a breakdown. We're getting a breakdown of support here. We're getting a breakdown of support. We want to see this level hold. Let's go ahead and check out the MACD, see what's popping with the MACD. All right, we're actually looking really, really good. This is actually looking good because we're in our mid-wave of the MACD. Guys, today's AMC looking extremely bullish. We could see a good 6, 7, 8% day easily. If we break to the top of this, if we hold this as support, we are going to fly. All right, we're getting a clean push here. This is a bullish engulfing. If we can close this candle like this, this is a bullish engulfing. Guys, today AMC looks really bullish, y'all. All right, we just got a clean break of resistance. Using 519 as support, using 519 as support. If we can close this candle like this, we need to close this candle like a doji. We cannot get a red candle print. We need a doji or a green candle. That's the only thing we can see for more upside. We need to hold this level as support. All right, we're getting a nice push here, y'all. All right, let's go. All right, looks like AMC is going to make another retest of 525. Looks like we're going to get another retest of 525. Let's see if we can break it this time. Looks like we might be able to break that 525 this time. All right, looks like we're about to break 525. Let's see if we get a retest of 525, and if so, it looks like we might get a possible break. We have the alligator starting to curl to the upside. We're showing bullish momentum. There's 0 shares available to borrow. Look at the calls. Calls are getting crazy. All right, guys. It looks like we're about. Yes. Yeah. We just got a retest of 525. We want to watch this level very, very closely. All right, if we can get a clean break of this, if we can get a clean break of 525, we could see a lot of bullish momentum here. Let me check out the 5-minute. Let me get some context. All right, RSI kind of hot on the 5-minute. On the 5-minute, it looks like we're about to go absolutely parabolic. All right, so we had to push the upside. We had this bull flag breakout. We already are at the breakout target for this bull flag, so we want to watch carefully what happens. It looks like we're starting a new uptrend, though. If AMC can nail earnings, which I do think it's going to do, I think that's why Adam Aaron had made a tweet. I think we're about to do a really good earnings. I think they wanted to stop momentum today. I think that's why they had Adam Aaron tweet. But I think what's going to happen is we're going to have earnings tomorrow, and I think it's going to rocket. A lot of the times we run up into earnings. I want to make it very, very clear that historical context, we have run up into earnings and dumped afterwards. I'm making it very clear, though, that I believe this week we will rally after earnings. Now we want to watch this level, guys. This is going to be key resistance. This is going to be key resistance. We're at 525. Looks like we could be possibly forming a double top. So we want to watch very, very carefully what happens next. We're very overextended. So we want to watch very carefully what happens next. We do not want to see something like that play out. We have strong support here at $5 and 18 cents, and then $5.15. We really need to break this level. We need to at least break this level, and that way we can come back down and use this as support. We need to break this level here. All right. 527. 527. Again, do not copy my trades. Did place a buy order today. Looks like we're going to see a good 10% day, gentlemen and ladies and gentlemen. Looks like we're going to see a nice 10% day, ladies and gentlemen. Volume's low. Hold on. That should be a little bit louder. That should be a little bit louder. Testing, 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 testing. That should be a little bit louder, y'all. All right. Looks like we got a nice pump to the upside, and we are using current. Okay, this is exactly what I wanted to see. We wanted to see a nice push up for a higher high, making that double top invalidated. And we are now using 525 as support, guys. This is perfect. This is perfect. We could see continued upside. Looks like we're going to get a nice 8 to 10% day, I'm expecting. It looks like we're going to continue running to the upside throughout the day. We do want to watch what happens here, though, at this 530 level. This is going to be crucial. Crucial to see. All right, guys, we are holding support here. This is crazy right now. This is crazy. RSI is not even overbought. It's a little hot. It's at 62. MACD starting to get a little bit of a curl here on the 1 minute time frame to the downside. So we want to watch for bearish momentum coming in. AMC currently up 6.59% on the day. 6.95% on the day. GME starting to get a recovery too. Starting to see a recovery too. GME starting to get a little bit of bounce back here. Getting that momentum from AMC. So we can see it's getting a nice recovery. That's beautiful. This is exactly what you want to see. Again, GME, AMC are the same stocks. If AMC runs, GME will run. If GME runs, AMC will run. Vice versa. They are the same stocks. If one runs, the other one's gonna run after it. It's just gonna run shortly after. They're gonna run together though. We've seen it all the time. When AMC runs, GME runs. This happened many times. All right, so we're starting to get a doji topping pattern here. We didn't close the doji, but we've seen it flash. What I want to see from AMC, honestly, is some consolidation at these levels. We will see what happens. What I personally want to see is some consolidation at these levels, verifying these levels as support. We want to verify these levels as support. I would love to see some consolidation. Upside or consolidation is the only thing you want to see right now. Maybe a retest of $5.19 as support. All right, we're starting to see that bearish momentum come in. We're starting to see the MACD curl to the downside. RSI in a bit of a falling wedge. We might get a pop here. We want to watch this level key. This is going to be key to see how we react when we come back down to $5.19. If we come back down to $5.19. All right, we're starting to see a curl in the alligator. Momentum's definitely starting to shift. We're going to start to see a downtrend here on AMC. Let's see where we find support. I want to see us hold $5.19 and $5.15. We're seeing a lot of bullishness, though. We're seeing every time a dip comes in, buyers step in. All right, we got that bearish cross here on the 1 minute. Volume to the downside. It looks like we're forming a bit of a wedge. Not sure just of yet. We have 1, 2 touch points possibly. This is not verified yet, but we have a possible wedge. Not verified yet. We need to see the upside. We need to see more upside. So this could break at any minute. We don't know just yet. Yeah, so this is not going to be validated. We need to see upside. We need to see upside test. This might be a retest. Hold on. So we can at least get the bottom line locked in. Nah, it's not looking good. It's looking like we're going to form a double. Coming back down to about 5. We're coming back down to these levels here. This level and this level. Purple and blue. 515, 519, 515, 519. All right, we got a little bit of a double top forming, guys. Top 1, top 2. Normally on a double top, you do have a higher high. That is very, very normal, and it's normally the second high. What I want to see is how we react when we come back down. Do we find support here? Do we find support here? Double top could be a pretty nasty one. We do have support here, but it could be a pretty nasty double top. Let's go ahead and run this support down. Now, even at the worst case scenario, it would probably take us back down to 510. I don't think that's going to be the case. What I am looking for, though, is a retest of 515 and then, of course, 519. If we can hold 519 as support, we don't need to retest 515 because we've already did it once. It would be the most bullish if we can hold 519 here as support. All right, it's not looking good to hold that level. I'm going to keep it real with you guys. It does not look good to hold 519. We're seeing a strong cross in the alligator. That's showing momentum starting to shift. RSI quickly getting to oversold, though. It looks like we'll definitely be able to hold 515. If we break 519, it looks like we'll definitely be able to hold 515. This is bullish. This is bullish. We are seeing buyers stepping in to buy the dip. Yeah, I turned it up a little bit. You're welcome. Thank you guys for being here. You're welcome. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you for being appreciative. I appreciate y'all, for real. Like, I could not have this channel if it wasn't for y'all. It wouldn't even be worth doing. Like, what's the point? If I didn't have people to talk with and communicate with, what's the point of even doing this? That's the best part. Sharing ideas and all that good stuff, you know what I mean? Hey, it looks like we're getting a bounce, y'all. Hey, it looks like we're getting a bounce, y'all. Yo, AMC is hella bullish today. We're seeing buyers step in. This is exactly what you want to see, that level of support of 519 hold. This is exactly what you want to see. This is exactly what you want to see for more upside, okay? This is exactly what you want to see for a break of the intraday high of $5.28. So it looks like we could be coming for the intraday high of $5.28. It looks like that will be broken today. It is still very early. 10:45 Eastern Standard Time, 10:45 Eastern Standard Time. AMC's current price, $5.22. $5.22. GME's current price, $20.81. $20.81. And we have SPY currently sitting at $4.49. $4.49. SPY was able to break past that resistance and is getting a clean push to the upside. All right, looks like SPY's hitting heavy resistance here at that 449. And it looks like it's going to pull back. Probably coming back down to $448, I would say. It might even be done. No, it's probably going to come back to the 448 and find support. Let's go ahead and check out AMC. AMC's 522, 522. All right, what do we got with AMC? We want to watch this RSI on the 5-minute. Okay. MACD is overextended. So we're basically in a, it's not like a huge parabolic move, but it's a parabolic move. Like, this is straight up. This is a great sign of strength. AMC holding 522 as support. It looks like we'll be able to break the intraday high for sure. Let's go ahead and check out. Let's see what we got here. We got a 5-minute buy signal right at the beginning of the day. And it's just been on ever since. I'm telling you guys, like, not financial advice, but the super trend is actually like something really good to trade with. It's pretty good. I use that with I use MACD, super trend, and alligator are my 3 tops. Because MACD and alligator will show you momentum, and then the super trend will give you the buy and sell signals, which is just super easy to read. They're a little bit of a lagging indicator, but they're perfect. You add that with like MACD and alligator, and then RSI, you good. All right, so we got RSI way too hot here on the 5-minute time frame, y'all. We need to cool down on the 5-minute time frame. Unfortunately, I got to keep 100 with y'all. Got to keep it real with y'all. What it looks like here on the 5-minute, All right, so we drew this ascending channel yesterday. We broke out of it today. We came back down and retested it as support. All right. Yeah, we're way too hot on the 10-minute. I'm sorry, that was the 10-minute time frame on RSI. That double top played out. You guys see it? 1, 2. That's cool, though, because that's what I wanted to happen, so we can get that out of the way. And we got a strong support with a wick. So this looks good on the 5-minute. On the 10-minute, though, we're way too hot. All right, 10 minutes starting to cool down. And this is looking bullish, yo. Look, we break above that resistance line. Retest it once. Possible second retest here. We didn't go all the way down, so AMC's current price, $5.20. I still think we can break the intraday high. Perfect retest. All right, so double top played out. Coming back down to that level of 519. It's exactly what we wanted to see. We wanted to see that hold of support. So we had our double top play out, coming all the way back down. We got our bounce here at 519, which is bullish. But then we got rejected from this level and came back down, retested our previous support, held that, and we're currently back above that 519 support and resistance zone and using it nice with this doji here, looking good. Yo, what's up, C Pimpin? What's up? Peck's bad. What's up, they? Shout out. Whimsy Chick, I appreciate you. Thoughts on calls? Thoughts on calls? Hey, listen, bro. When I say stuff like, I have to say not financial advice, but I'm trying to say something without saying something, if you can catch my drift. So for instances, sometimes I'll come on here and say, I'm making a trade. This is what I'm doing. Do not copy me. I'm trying to say something, you know what I mean? But that's the best I can do. Trying to say something without saying it. Okay, let me look at what's going on right here very, very carefully, because if we break this turquoise line, it could get ugly. I'm not going to lie with y'all. We still green, but what we want to see is a 10% day. What we want is a 20% day. What we want is a 30% day, so we need more upside. So we're going to be looking for bullishness. And bearishness is going to suck. We don't want no bearishness. Bears, no bears. We want bulls only. Bulls only. All right, what I'm seeing right now is a possible inverse head and shoulders starting to form. So right here, so that's what would have to happen if it was an inverse head and shoulders. Let's see. It's only half formed, so this is not any guarantee that this is going to happen. This is only half formed, so we have to wait. If I had like another shoulder or something to see, I could say for sure, but I don't have another shoulder. I just have this, and that's not nearly enough. Something like this. Now, again, this is not guaranteed. I do not have enough of this pattern to even call this. This is just a guess. This is just a shot in the dark. This is not me making an official call on this one. All right, if you guys can, press that like button. Press that like button. We got 162 people in the building, 162 beautiful people in the building. I appreciate you. If you can, go ahead and press that thumbs up button for me. Maybe even share the stream on your Twitter, on your Facebook. I appreciate you. Let everyone know that I'm live. Letting everyone know that I'm out here giving this TA. You guys are awesome. You guys are awesome, man. I turned the mic up a little bit, so it should sound a little bit better. All right, so it looks like we're getting some consolidation here. This is not bad at all. This is exactly what I wanted. I want to see AMC consolidate at these levels. It's getting close to 12 o'clock too. So what we normally see at 12 o'clock is called an intraday lull, where volume kind of dries down. Some people say it's because the traders go to lunch. Some people say because the traders on Wall Street go to lunch. I'm not sure about that. All right, we want to see this level. Hold on. We want to see this play out. Again, this was not official prediction here in this head and shoulders. It's just a shot in the dark there. All right, we just got a sell signal. All right, y'all. We're going to want to watch this. Just got a sell signal here in the 1 minute. All right, we're going to want to watch this very closely. Possibly. All right, so what we're going to be doing now is coming back down to 5. We're going to be coming back down to 510, it looks like. We just got a candle. This is confirming this. If we confirm this as resistance, if we see a candle come up to this level and confirm it as resistance, that's going to be a definite downside. We want to see if this white line could possibly hold a support. This would be our third touch point to give us confirmation on this white line. All right, this looks like it's breaking, so we're not getting we want to see if this confirms or not. You want to get 1, 2, 3 touch points. If you do not have 3 touch points, that's invalidated. It's not valid, and that means you cannot use that trend line. This is going to be the test of that, just to see if that holds. How you know for sure is if it's invalidated is if the candle closes below it. So this is a perfect example. We just got a close of this candle, and it closed below it. If you happen to see it wick below and come back up, that is not invalidated. But if you see it full close below it, that's invalidated. It looks like we have possible double top scenario here. So we want to watch for this. This is something I was afraid of. That's why I wanted to see that consolidation. We went up too fast. The same thing I said about SPY. If you go up too fast, you come down fast. You need to go up and check support. But we're coming back down to this range and checking this range of support. We want to see this range hold. We critically want to see this range hold. We will be coming back down to, let's see. If we cannot hold this range, we will be coming back down to $5.05. All right, guys, we're starting to see dark pool volume pick up. We had dark pool volume at 43%. Dark pool volume is currently at 62%. This is about on average what dark pool volume is on AMC. It's absolutely disgusting. And only 8% of the actual trades go through the NYSE. But Adam Aaron doesn't see any manipulation. All right, let's see where we're at with things. So we have possible support here on this blue trend line. And then below that, we have support at 505. So we're going to be looking at those levels. They don't have any short shares, so we good on that. All right, we're holding support here on the blue line. We want to see if this can hold. We want to see if this can hold. If we can hold here, this is going to be bullish to continue this uptrend. We just played out this double top. Maybe a little bit of a head and shoulders. It's a big shoulder here, but that's not really head and shoulders. It's kind of a double top with a slow bleed out. Bringing us back down to this range here, which was something I was afraid of. I had to keep it real with you guys, let you know that that was something that possibly could happen. Looks like it did play out, so we are seeing that play out now. We did find support here, though, on this uptrend that I identified here, and we are holding that level as support. So it looks like we're getting a clean bounce here. We want to see this candle close. Okay, perfect. Perfect, 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 perfect. So it looks like we will continue this uptrend, y'all. It looks like we will continue this uptrend. Looks good to continue the uptrend. Let's go ahead and check out the MACD. All right, cool. MACD starting to flip. Yeah, we Gucci. All right, check out the RSI too. Gucci, Gucci, Gucci. We good. All right, y'all. So we looking much better shape. Double top that played out, that I was afraid of, played out. We can get that out of the way. We can get that out of our system. We can all be relieved. We can start to see this recovery. We can start seeing this upside. We can start seeing this bounce. We want to look for a buy signal here on the 1 minute time frame. Looks like we're getting buyers stepping in a big way. All right, so that current uptrend we identified as support is holding. Looks like we're getting a clean bounce. This is exactly what you want to see for this uptrend here, this blue dotted line. It's the uptrend that I identified today to continue to hold. We're going to want to watch this resistance here marked in turquoise, though. That's going to be heavy resistance area. All right. So we currently have 200 people. 200 people. If you can go ahead and press that like button for me, I'd appreciate it. Press that like button for me. We got 155 likes, but 200 concurrent viewers. I appreciate all of y'all for being here. I really do. I appreciate y'all. All right, we're checking out AMC. GME's current price is $20.80. $20.80. I see some people asking about SPY. So I will check out SPY for you guys real quick. So SPY did come back down to 448. I don't know if you guys were just here for that, but I did say SPY looks like it's coming back down to 448. Exactly retested 448. That's exactly what we did. Now we're getting a bounce. Let's see where SPY will possibly go next, and I'll check in a little bit later. But it did play out exactly as planned here. We popped in. I seen SPY losing momentum coming to the downside. It said it will come back to 448. That's what we see here. We're starting to see this bounce to the upside. What I expect now, let me see. It's not looking too strong. It's looking like SPY's downtrend might continue. So what it might do is come back down to 448. Let me go ahead and just make sure. All right, yeah. Hold on. It's looking more bullish on the 5 minute than it is on the 1 minute. It's not looking very strong. You might be able to come back up and retest 449, but it doesn't look like it's going to be able to break it. Looks like 449 is going to be a problem for SPY today. 449.50 to be exact. Yeah, see the MACD starting to flip already? How it moves in waves. You see how it's overextended? So we're going to see this start to curl to the downside most likely. And it doesn't even have enough momentum to break this resistance here. So it's probably going to get rejected and come back down to 448.50 is what I'm expecting from SPY. So I'm expecting SPY to maybe get a little bit more oomph to the upside, maybe 449.15. But it looks like it's going to get rejected shortly after, 449.20 maybe, and then get rejected shortly after, coming back down to 448 in my personal opinion. Let's go ahead and check out what's going on for AMC. All right, we're going to pop on AMC stock and see what's popping with AMC. Okay, so AMC. Let's see. All right, guys, this is looking very good. Okay, let me lay it down for y'all real quick. All right, so here's the first thing that we have. We have touch point number 1, touch point number 2, touch point number 3. That confirms this trend line right here as a uptrend. Now, what we had is this bull flag form in the morning, which I called out. We got this push to the upside. Then we came back up and formed this double top pattern, which unfortunately I had to call out as well. This played out, bringing us down to here. Retested this trend line as support, confirming this trend line as support. Now we're seeing a reversal back to the upside. What I'm expecting AMC to do is come back up to $5.19. I do expect another $5.19 retest here in the near future for AMC. We are getting this bullish cross right now. This is extremely good for the upside that we want to see. We're also seeing the alligator starting to curl as well as the bands get closer together, showing us that momentum is shifting. This is all on the 1 minute time frame. We're here on the 1 minute time frame, looking at what's going to be happening here throughout the day. Again, giving daily predictions and updates on AMC stock. Again, I do expect a retest of $5.19. It looks like we will be doing that here in the very near future. Now, we do have the intraday low coming in of about 12 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, where stocks seem to slow down just a little bit. All right, let's see if I can identify any more patterns here. I'm not seeing anything. I want to connect these highs for some reason. So I'm going to do that. All right, I just enlarged the screen. It should be a little bit easier to see. All right, now what we're going to want to watch for here. What we're going to watch. What we want to watch for here is this level to hold as support, y'all. Look at the alligator. It's giving us a little bit of a sign right now. It's giving a little bit of a sign that bearish momentum might not just be totally out. So we want to see these levels hold. You guys can see that we did not get that official cross just yet, and it's starting to curl to the downside. Want to watch for that. Now, we do have this MACD flip. Alligator lags just a little bit, so we could see it start to curl here. We want to just watch very, very carefully. Makes me wonder what shorts they're using to short. Yeah, right. Now, I don't think they're shorting today, brother. I don't think they're shorting today. This doesn't look like normally what manipulation looks like. The manipulation is normally a lot more evident. It's not a lot more clear. This looks like a day that had 0 shares available to borrow. This looks like natural price movement. I mean, when the TA works perfectly too, that's how you know. I mean, we had this bull flag broke out. We had the double top played out. When you can clearly link one pattern to another pattern, like you should be able to, because with technical analysis, you should be able to link one pattern to another pattern. So you have your bull flag, and that pushes you up. This bull flag, you can measure that move and get your measured move from the bull flag. So that will tell you how high your breaks out is going to be. And it was exactly that high. So you take your pull from your bull flag, move it over, and that will give you your breakout target. So that gives you this whole rally here. Then you get your support and resistance zones. So we had resistance up here. It hit its head on resistance. You check levels, checked them, found support, got a bounce. Then I seen the double top. I said this double top might be forming right here. Once it started to droop down and got resistance here. That connects us all the way back down to here. That's going to take us to down here. And now we can see a new pattern starting to form. We just have to identify it. And, of course, we do have this uptrend here. Now, I don't have anything to play off just yet. But once price action continues to play out. So this looks like a pretty natural day to me. Price just needs to move in waves naturally. It can't just keep going up. It can't just keep going down. It has to move in waves. So when we had this huge extension, so when you have to look at this uptrend, we started from way down here today and went all the way up here. So when you see all of that rally, but we didn't really check support, we didn't check support. We didn't check this range here. This whole range wasn't checked. This whole range between this turquoise line and this purple line wasn't checked. So the fact that we didn't check that range, we had to come back down and test it. Now we're getting price action inside that range. We can build our support here and move up past this high. But the only way we could do that is by checking this range. And the market is very, very thorough. They're going to check liquidity in each level. They're going to check liquidity at each level. And if you skip a level, it's going to come back down and check liquidity in that level. That's why when you start getting good at trading, you'll want things to pull back. You will want things to consolidate. You won't want it just to keep going up and up and up. You'll want things to consolidate. You'll want things to pull back. You want things to check support. You want things to check resistance. You never ever just want it to go like straight up or straight down. Now, it can happen, obviously, but all right, we're starting to get that alligator to cross and MACD flip. Okay, so we got MACD flip. MACD might be extended for its wave, though, so what might end up happening is a little bit of consolidation here in this level, then a push up, but it's looking bullish for more upside. Going to check out the 5-minute. All right, RSI is cool. What we really want to do is consolidate. Like, we really want to see it just consolidate. Look at our 10-minute MACD. We're about to get a bear cross on the 10. So, yeah, what we want to do is just consolidate here. And then, like, power hours start to get a push. We'll see what happens, though. There's a lot of volatility right now, so we could see anything happen today. In my personal opinion, though, we look good. This is what you want to see. This is what you want to see. We're pushing up, showing signs of strength, pushing out of these ranges. And you just want to do level by level, level by level. And you guys can see that we're moving up slowly from level to level to level to level to level. The higher we go, the more they get underwater, the more shorts see red, the more they get pressured, the closer we get to them covering. We see at AMC's current cost to borrow too. We have to remember they're paying 220% on those shares. AMC's current dark pool is 62.49, 62.49. Zero shares available to borrow. Calls expiring the money 38,000 at 5, and then at 6 we have 70,000, y'all. We could see a crazy gamma ramp. We could see a crazy gamma ramp. It's still early in the week, so I don't think they're going to gamma hedge today. Now, if we can get up into $6, they'll gamma hedge for 5 today. Let's go and check out GME. Oof. Yeah, GME is going to have a hard time. I don't know how they're getting these shares to borrow for GME, but GME's short interest is 19.44%. All right, guys, I got to take a quick break. I'm going to be right back in just 2 minutes. 2 minutes. I'll be right back to give you guys the TA. I'm going to zoom in here on the charts. Okay, it does look like we're going to consolidate here. This is exactly what we want. We want to just consolidate, all right? This is what we want. We want to consolidate. And why I say this is because we want to consolidate through the bear phase. We're about to get a bear cross. See? We have a bear cross on the 5-minute. What time did we get that? Look, we got the bear cross right when I said, basically. Yes. Remember I said we'd get a bearish MACD cross here at 11 o'clock, 10:45, around that time? We got it at 11:05. We got the bear cross 11:10. So I was off about by 10 minutes, but we got that bear cross. So we did get the bearish MACD flip here at that 10:45, 11 o'clock time period. We want to consolidate through this time period. We want to consolidate. If we see a push up, that's just as good, but we want to basically just hold the levels that we have and then or push up. So this is looking good. And we want to break this level as resistance. If we can break this level as resistance, that's going to be fire. If we can break, it's 419. Or 519, I apologize. 519. If we can break 519. Bro, your reaction. Woof. Yeah, man, it hurts. It hurts my soul, bro. It hurts my soul. I'm sending all my vibes to GME. Yeah, GME gonna have a hard time. It hurts my soul, bro, because I want to tell y'all, like, I want to be like, yo, it's about to be bullish. We about to go to the moon. But, like, I can only tell you what the charts are telling me. So, like, sometimes I got to be like, dang, it's going to be bearish. Which sucks. I don't really want to tell you guys it's going to be bearish, but sometimes it is what it is. All right, we got 187 likes and 171 people. That means everyone had pressed the like. I appreciate you. If you haven't pressed that like button, though, go ahead and do that. I appreciate you all. Thank you for spending your Monday with me. Let's go ahead and look at some more technical analysis. All right, I'm back. I'm back in the matrix. I guess it's probably better for y'all that you have someone like calling out the TA, so you're not just like, not saying you guys don't know what you're talking about, but it probably helps. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna keep doing this, guys. I'm gonna keep doing this for the rest of the week. I'm gonna give it a week. I'm gonna do this for a week and see how it goes. And if I can, because streaming 24/7 is probably going to get crazy. So So we will see, but I'm definitely going to keep doing a lot more live content because I really like just chilling and interacting with you guys. I just got me some coffee and donuts. I should turn the camera on, but I don't want to do too much right now. But I got me some coffee and donuts. I got me a nice little coffee. I got me 2 glazed donuts. So this is my breakfast. What are normal people doing right now, I wonder? GME elitist? I don't know. You know, GME elitists probably don't watch my channel. I talk about AMC too much, probably. What's up, Lady Nora? Waited 2.7 years. We could wait a few more weekends. Hey, ain't that the truth? Ain't that the truth? Waited 2.7 years, they say. We could wait a few more weekends. What is it? What is a few more weekends? We good? Yeah, you right. I got a B-Day in November. Hey, if I'm live on your B-Day, let me know, and I'll shout you out. What's up, Pam Law? What's up, C Pimpin'? What's up, Lady Nora? Hey. So we out here. We just consolidate, and this is exactly what you want to see. I do expect it to consolidate. This is what I'm expecting, guys, right now. I just expect AMC to consolidate. This is what we want. I want you guys to notice something about AMC too, what it does. I'll show you guys something. So AMC will do this quite often. It will get a huge push up, like a really big push up. It'll push up multiple ranges. So right here's a range, right here's a range, right here's a range, and right here's a range. They're separated by purple. And if you look, we started in this range. It will push up multiple ranges, but it always comes back down to the previous range of support. It'll come all the way back down and use that range of support. It just did that. Here. And it went back to $4. All right, so basically we're seeing AMC consolidate. This is exactly what you want to see. All good, all good. Let's see what SPY's doing real quick. Let me know if my volume's too loud. It sounds loud, but it should be good. Listen up, SPY did what I said, y'all. Where'd it come back to? 448, 448, 448. Came back home. She always does. Oh, this Krispy Kreme donut is slapping, y'all. I'm eating in your ear. Hold up. It's hitting right now, yo. Let me tell you. All right, now SPY looks like it might be. Hold on, let me check out SPY for y'all. SPY looking a little bearish. I mean, I don't even know if it's going to close green on the day. Oh, it's up 1%. Yeah, we'll close green on the day, but damn, SPY. What you doing? SPY's looking bearish, y'all, to be real with you. I'm expecting it to come up to these levels, but I really don't know if it can make it. I'm expecting it to come back up to it's looking okay for the recovery. I'm expecting to come back up to 451, but as on the short term, it's looking bearish. But I'm expecting SPY to come up to 451 within, let's see, Tuesday. So tomorrow's Tuesday, like Wednesday, Thursday region, be at 451. Again, we wanted to see AMC at these levels. I don't know if you guys were here last week, but if you were, I told you guys that Monday, Tuesday, we would see $5.10 on AMC. This is exactly what we're seeing, $5.10 here on AMC. So we're right where we need to be. All right, we got 203 likes, y'all. 203 likes. And I have 1,219 views. I appreciate each and every one of y'all for real. All right, we're doing some good numbers here. 185 concurrent viewers. We got DC in the building, Mr. White in the building, CP. If you don't mind, go ahead and let me know where y'all from. Let me know where y'all from. I'm from Florida. Florida in the building. What state y'all from? When you starting ASMR channel? I don't know what that means, brother. I got a sugar rush from these donuts and coffee, though. All right, man. We're doing some numbers, y'all. The MACD looks broken on the hourly time frame. Look at it. This shit looks broken. This motherfucker's buying before earnings because they know what's about to happen. We about to blast off after earnings. We about to blast off after earnings. About to blast off. Take the mask off after earnings. All right, y'all. So let's see what's popping. We are doing what we need to do. Consolidate and push up. Consolidate and push up. That's what I want to see. Consolidate and push up. That's what I want. Consolidation and push up. Let me say it one more time. Consolidate and push up. I like saying that. Consolidate and push up. Yo. Hey. Haiti in the building. Salt Lake in the building. Dallas, Texas in the building. Oh, yo, New York in the building. Michigan in the building. Philippines in the building. We got all over the globe right now. Shout out to you. This is coming live from Florida. You are coming live from Florida. Shout out. Bay Area. What's up? Southern California. Okay. UK. Okay. We got people coming straight from the moon, too. Hey. Seattle in the building. Las Vegas in the building. Chat just went crazy. Missouri in the building. Whimsy Chick, Texas. All right. Yo, tell me why these donuts and this coffee got me buzzing right now, bro. 515, let's go. 519 is going to be major resistance. Man, the way these lines work, man, you would think I'd move them, man. It's crazy the way these things work out. This is so crazy. I'm just playing now. Hey, I just want to thank everyone one more time just for being here. I appreciate you for being here, spending your time with me, spending your Monday with me. We all out here just doing the best we can, living this thing called life, trying to get through it together. Welcome to the most lit live stream. We global, y'all. We global. We did it. Jersey in the building. What up, LFG? We global, y'all. Welcome to the most lit live chat in all of AMC YouTuber history. Hey. Hopefully you guys are enjoying yourself. Building a positive community. All right, y'all. Looks like we're getting this pushed to the upside again. We want to watch this let's see. Let's get an exact level for you guys right here. Hold on 1 second. Let's get an exact level for you guys just here in 1 second. 1 second. The level is going to be $5.16 right now. $5.16 is going to be our resistance. Again, this line is ascending, so it's going to change. Let me do a little bit of TA on GME and help GME survive here, or see what GME is telling me. Let's see what GME is telling me. All right, we can see a retest of the support. That's going to be a wick on the bigger time frames. You know what? This actually might be the spring. This might be the spring. That might have been the spring for GME. So I'm going to have to talk about this in the video a little bit, guys, but I do expect GME. I need to really study GME. I don't want to just say anything right now, because I'm going to really need to study this on the larger time frames and the smaller time frames. Again, I hold GME. I'm a firm believer in diversification. And I do believe AMC and GME will run together. But I want to make sure that we're not going to come back down for a lower low and then bounce it upside. Or is this the spring and the bottom is in? So I want to see if the bottom is in for GME, or if we have to come to a lower low, lower than $20.30. I want to make sure before I say that. Again, we might have to retest a lower low for GME, but it doesn't mean that the overall macros are not in play. We still have the macro wedge. We still look very, very good on GME. AMC currently breaking to the upside, breaking past that resistance. So, yeah, we look good on GME, yo. And, in fact, we're starting to get this bear wave to end on the daily time frame. So that might have been the spring. And the RSI is getting close to oversold. That might have been the spring. We might have a little bit more lower. So you guys can see I have it marked in blue, where basically we come back down and retest. I think it's like 1950, around that range. It's like, yeah, 1950. All right, AMC currently up 4.69%, 4.69% on the day. We also have a current price of $5.16, $5.16 here on AMC stock. $5.16. Currently breaking past that resistance level. This is looking beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, prepare for lift off. All right, it looks like we're going to hold this as support. We want to see this wick. We're going to see this doji close. We want to see this doji close like this. $220 likes, y'all, and only 202 concurrent viewers. Yes, I appreciate y'all. And look, we keep going up and up and up. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Look at this. We're global, we're mobile, and we're live. Keep filling that chat up. I appreciate you. Keep filling that chat up. That chat rate is insane right now. All right, guys, just give me 1 second. Just give me 1 second. I'm going to take about a 2-second break here. I'm just not going to talk. I'm watching the charts. I'm watching here. If you guys don't know, I hold my hand. I hold my microphone with my hand, so I'm just going to put it down for just a second. Still watching the charts. We are getting that break above this line here. This is exactly what we want to see for continued upside. And we did get the consolidation and the push-up that we were looking for. This is exactly what we wanted, guys. I couldn't have asked for anything better. This is exactly what we wanted to see. Again, we had, let's run back today. Let's run back the day. Let's run back the play from the day, all right? Let's run it back. Let's run it back. All right, so coach said. All right, so we had this run to the upside, right? We identified this bull flag. Coach identified the bull flag. Bull flag breaks out. Play goes through. Then we see that pass all the way to the deep end, at least 44 yards deep, going all the way in, almost getting that touchdown, but then we got rejected, okay? Then we got rejected from that area. Had to go back, got a penalty about on 4 yards. Once we got that 4-yard call, we did move our way back up towards the goal, but then we did not quite make it just yet. So we're back at the 2-yard line and working our way up for $5.30, which is the touchdown. We want to break this intraday high today, and it does look like we will be coming for this intraday high here on AMC stock. We do have the alligator starting to show a lot of momentum. Let's go ahead and check out that MACD. MACD starting to flip as well. We do have a green flip. RSI getting a little hot. We do want to watch that as well. And volume dropping to the downside. You don't want to see an uptrend with volume trending to the downside. That is not what you want to see. But we are pointing out everything bullish and bearish here on AMC, trying to find out where it will go next. GME's current price is $20.92. I do believe GME is going to see more upside.
Hey TJ, you made this?
Love the music. I love it too. I love music, and that's why I like to play it on here. It also helps keep the vibe up, keeps the energy up, you know what I mean? Keeps that vibe right. Starting to see AMC push up. Let's go ahead and zoom in here and see what we're looking at. All right, it looks like it might start. Yeah, it looks like we're gonna start topping out. I do, unfortunately do want to call this out. It looks like we're gonna start. What I want to see now from AMC is consolidation. We want to see AMC either consolidate or push up because it looks like it's starting to lose momentum. Why do I say that? Well, the candles. I can tell by looking at the candles. Candle analysis. MACD. We have indicators as well. And then the alligator starting to curl. Multiple indications that momentum is starting to curl down just a little bit. Again, we are at 12 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. This is going to be the intraday low. This is normally where stocks like to consolidate. Now, we do see moves sometimes around this time, but stocks normally like to consolidate in this region of time period. And pretty much till like 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, around that time. And then we will see a movement to the upside. I do think we can break the intraday high for today. We are trying to break 2030. All right, checking out the chat. Thank you, Mario, for being a member. I believe you're a new member, Mario. I haven't seen you, so you must be a new member. Just shout out all my members. I really appreciate my members. You guys, all you have to do to support me is just press like and subscribe. Share the videos if you want. Those of you that do support me in other ways, I truly, like, I can't thank you enough, man. Like, I really can't. So get used to hearing thank you a lot. I know it's corny, but I gotta keep it 100, you know what I mean? I gotta be always real, you know what I mean? That's just all I know. So I just say what I say and do what I do. All right, so I want to warn everyone. What's possibly happening right now, what we could possibly see happen here next is I want to see this level hold a support, but it doesn't look like we have the momentum to do it. It looks like we're going to be coming back down, to be honest with you guys. Now, this is a sign of strength. If we can hold 5.15 as support, we're good. But it doesn't look like we have the momentum here. So I'm going to keep it real with you guys. What I would love to see is AMC push up to here, which would be 20. I would love to see AMC push past 520 and consolidate. But what's most likely going to happen is we're going to probably end up coming back down, y'all. Just to 515, around that level. I am expecting consolidation. We want to see some buyers stepping in here. All right, looks like we've had good connection for quite some time now. I don't want to jinx myself. Oh, I might just jinx myself. But it looks like we've had a really good connection. This is the first time you guys might see some buffering in a while, but it might come through. We'll see about that. I'm monitoring the connection as we go. Again, if you're just coming in, we have 215 viewers. If you're just coming in, please press that like button. I appreciate you for stopping by. See some new viewers coming in. I appreciate you. This is where we call AMC's price action live. We call the plays. Welcome to the most lit AMC YouTube live stream. Good vibes only. Upside. Want to see upside. Go AMC. We're getting a curl on the MACD. Go AMC. Curl on the MACD. Curl on the MACD. Go AMC. Curl on the MACD. Curl on the MACD. Go AMC. Curl on the MACD. Go AMC. All right, AMC's up 5% on the day. 5% on the day at $5.18. And it does look like we are going to get that push that we need to break $5.20. AMC is doing everything but disappointing today, performing very, very well. Amy is on point right now, making sure all of us are very, very happy and our bank accounts increasing. Let's see if GME can wake up. GME starting to wake up at $20.92. Again, GME had a lot more short shares than AMC. So GME is going to be experiencing some issues. But again, GME and AMC are friends. They're best buddies. They are compadres. They're going to move together. They're going to travel together. They're going to roll together. They're going to rock together. All right, we got Gamma building up on GME's $30 calls. It could get crazy quick if that thing goes over $30. You hear me? We got AMC at 0 shares available to borrow. All right, this is looking good. We want to see if we can hold this level. Sup, dude? Sup? Poe Honda. Albert, Mario, AMC all in. We'll talk about A's tweet. Yeah, let's talk about A's tweet. I'm going to pull up A's tweet here on my phone. Port of Miami in the building. Port of Miami in the building. Port of Miami in the building. Yeah, we're spitting stack bars or stock bars. AMC, MACD, AMC, MACD, AMC, MACD. Get the MACD flip. Get the MACD flip. Buy some stocks real quick. Buy some stocks real quick. Get the MACD flip. AMC go up real quick. Hey. So where we at? Good connection status. We got our connection back. Sorry if it fluctuates. Sorry about that. I do apologize. Good connection status. Rolling through, rolling smooth. This is what we want each and every day. We wanted to say excellent connection all day, every day. We do have 174 current viewers. I appreciate you all for being here. Port of Miami in the building. Guess what, Port of Miami? Yo, Krispy Kreme. Hey, you already know. Yeah, them donuts is good. Brittany. It says Poe Honda. How am I supposed to know? What up, Brittany? Hey. Default player 5. What's up, bro? How you feeling? Hope you're having a great day. Jesus Church. Hey, shout out Jesus Church. God is the way. God is the way. Real talk. I'm telling you guys. Pray every day and you will feel better. I promise you. $231 likes, guys. We are going through the moon with this. 231 likes. I believe that is one of the highest liked videos I do have. I'm not sure. I will confirm that later on, but that is probably pretty up there. So I want to appreciate you guys. I know I say that a lot, but hey, it is what it is. Let's go ahead and talk about Adam Aaron's tweet as we are holding resistance. Now, guys, we are starting to get this curl. We're starting to show momentum to the downside with a MACD flip. We're going to want to watch what happens here. This is heavy, heavy resistance. We want to hold it as support, but it looks like we're currently getting that movement to the downside that I was afraid of. Again, I got to keep it 100 with you guys, telling me what the charts tell you, what the charts tell me. I'm just the messenger. Please don't kill the messenger. I simply tell you what the charts tell me. So we could be seeing more downside, testing this blue line as support. If we cannot hold this turquoise line here as support, you will see AMC come back down to these levels. We want to see something like this. We want to see a nice boom, boom candle to the upside, pushing us past $5.20 to keep us firmly above these levels. Again, I want to see $5.20 used as support. I want to see us above $5.20 using that as support and consolidate into power hour and then get a push up. Power hour would be likely the best thing I could see for AMC, breaking that intraday high. Now, Adam Aaron's new tweet. Reading my Twitter feed. Some of you do not get the nuance of our situation. AMC is killing it at the box office right now. So hopefully by 2024, 2025, COVID-19 will just... This guy's still talking about COVID, bro? Bro, I'm about to slap the out of you, Adam Aaron, bro. I'm so tired of this, bro. You are the worst CEO. This guy sucks, y'all. Bro. Oh, my God. You would be better off just shutting up and saying nothing all day. You would be a better CEO if you just shut up. Bro, and then the high number of failure to delivers. Adam Aaron, over $100,000 of stock, over $100 million. I have to apologize. $100 million of your stock is unaccounted for and failed to deliver. You have been on the threshold security list for a month. We'll proof 30 days right here, y'all. I'm about to show you AMC's been on the threshold security list for 30 days. Right here's the 4th, okay? Right here's the 4th of August. Look. July. It's not going to let me get a whole month. It's there, though. You guys can see. August, the 3rd. Look. 7-3. 7-3. 8-3. It's been over a month. It's been 2 months, y'all. Bro. Hold on, I gotta get. Hold on, y'all. Check this out, y'all. So here's proof AMC has been on the threshold security list for over 2 months. Notice the date, 6/29, 6/29, okay? All right, 6/29, 7/29, and we're already 8. So it's been about 3 or 2.5 months. Hold on. Here's proof AMC has been on the threshold security list for over a month. Alright, notice the date, 6/23, 6/23, AMC. Now watch this, y'all. 7/24, and we are all the way in August already. And you better believe it's still on there. Crazy, right? But Adam Aaron don't see no signs of manipulation. Hold on, y'all. I'm making a shorts video. My bad. And then we have all of these FTDs. Bro's tripping. Yo, check this out, y'all. Here's proof AMC has been on the threshold security list for over a month. Alright, notice the date, 6/23, 6/23, AMC. Now watch this, y'all. 7/24. And we are all the way in August already. All right, all right. Good connection. Let's see. C Pimpin' in the building. Clone of Clark's in the building. Gotta go to bed. What time is it where you're at? You been up all night? AMC holding support. All right, all right, all right. Looks like we're currently getting the push to the upside that we need. Let's go and check out that MACD. Yes, this is exactly what we want to see. MACD crossing, alligator starting to flip. We consolidated here above support. This is holding this as support. We are going to get a push to the upside. Again, intraday high looks like it is going to be broken more and more evidently as the day goes on. We are currently at 12:16 Eastern Standard Time. We've been live for about two, 3 hours now. I appreciate y'all for stopping by. Yeah, Krispy Kreme, this shit slapping, dog. All right, so let me point out what we're going to see next here. I've been a little quiet, my bad. I was putting a video together. You know me, I got to work and work and work. I should do what Andrew Mo Money does and record the video on the live stream. That boy get double money on that. Yo, he tripping. Go AMC. Go MACD. Go. Flipping the MACD. Go AMC. Look at the MACD. Go AMC. The MACD is flipping. AMC is tripping. Look in the chat. CC pimping. All right. So I placed a trade on AMC earlier today. Obviously, we're up on that. What we're looking for now is AMC to get the momentum we need to push up. We're looking at this consolidation. If you kind of look, it kind of looks like algorithmic trading right now. So basically, consolidation. She's being real boring right now. Being real boring. We want to see a push up. What we're looking for now. If we go ahead and look at the MACD, starting to flip a little bit to the bear side. We want to see this consolidate and hold this level here, and then we want to see it push up off of this level. We're seeing what we want to see right now with it holding this level, but we want to see it push off of this level to the upside. All right, we're starting to get that push now. Starting to get that push so we can keep this up. Starting to get that push. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. 519, 519. Want to see 520. We want to see 520. All right, y'all. This is what we want. Yeah, AA always with the negative news. Someone asked me about his tweet. So I looked at his tweet. Yeah, this beat fire, right? What's up, Nate? Me and you got something in common, bro. This beat lit. Yo, this beat lit, right? This beat lit, right? Yo, that beat is lit. I'm gonna let I'll keep it following data 0. How to keep a good chat. Yeah, my chat is lit, you feel me? My community's lit, and we all just good people, you know what I mean? Trying to get this bag. Okay, now we're starting to see some action. AMC was being boring at first, but now we're starting to see some action. Again, welcome to the most lit AMC live stream. All right, we're starting to see that alligator curl. This is exactly what we want to see. Starting to see that alligator curl back to the upside. This is exactly what we want to see for more upside. We're also starting to get that MACD flip. Now, volume is kind of low right now. Again, intraday low is normal. This is when the traders normally go at lunch. We want to see a hold of $5, and we want to get above $5.20. This shit go hard too. This shit go real hard. All right, $5.20 looking to be heavy, heavy resistance. We are going to want to break this with a vengeance. We need to break through this with a strong candle, y'all. This is Lexi Lore. Is that like a corn star? Sound like Joel's. Hey. Yeah, the lag came from, unfortunately, the lag came from the beginning of the stream. So, yeah, it's a little bit behind. I do know that. I'm aware of that. It came from the beginning of the stream when I didn't have good connection. I got good connection now, as you guys can see, and it's riding on that. But it came from the beginning of the stream, so it's like behind. It's like you're saying, there's a lag of the stream of what I'm saying and then what is actually coming out. I was going to cut it off here at lunch. I was going to cut it off here at lunch, but I think I'm just going to rock out. And I was going to reset it so it reset. But I think I'm just going to rock out. Man, this level is becoming crazy, y'all. We've been consolidating for like long enough now. I'm ready to see a push up. Hey, if you're just coming in, press that like button for me. Press that like button for me. I appreciate you being here. We are global right now. Everyone is in here, from the Philippines to England to Detroit to Texas to California to Michigan. Rep your city, rep your state. Let them know you about to get this Moas bag. All right, looking good on momentum here. Okay, MACD's starting to flip. MACD's starting to flip. And we're starting to see signs of algorithmic trading. I want you guys to notice this very, very carefully. Look at the RSI. You see how the RSI is flat? These are going to be signs of algorithmic trading, all right? This is when they trade it back and forth to try to manipulate it and keep it at one price. When you also see candles like this, they call it barcoding. That is going to be signs of manipulation, okay? Now, what this type of manipulation does is try to keep you at a certain price. They'll trade it back and forth really fast. Between algos, they'll trade it back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Or they'll do what's called wash trading it. And they'll do that back and forth. And they'll try to keep it pinned to a price. This is signs of that, this barcoding. And then when you see the RSI do this. Now, I want to point out that they have 0 shares available to borrow, so we're good on that. 0 shares available to borrow, so we're good on that. Dark pool volume is increasing now. Dark pool volume is increasing. 62.32% on dark pool volume right now, guys. So dark pool volume is increasing. GME is green on the day. GME is green on the day. All right, again, I want to confirm this, but this very well could have been the spring. GME is looking like continued upside It's looking good for continued upside. You want to watch for the bear MACD cross here on the 5-minute. MACD looks overextended to the upside. RSI is not overbought, though, yo, so we're good on that. GME, I do think, is going to have a green day, though. I do think it will close green. I think it's going to get a little bit more upside and then come back down. But it should close green on the day. And then as far as SPY, yeah, SPY was having a hard time with this 449.50. It looks like, let's see, it looks like it possibly could be breaking that. Now, if SPY can break and hold 449.50, if SPY can break this level of 449.50, you could see SPY potentially move to the upside, and this is going to push GME and AMC up. Now, they can move, if you understand this, they do have negative beta, which means they'll move with the SPY until they don't. So I do think they are going to decouple, but it helps, if this makes sense, when SPY is giving a headwind or a tailwind, which is like if you have a sail and the wind's pushing, you're going to roll with the current, but if the wind's pushing, that helps, if that makes sense. And if you have a headwind, that's going to hurt you, and the SPY is going down. But there is a certain point where SPY will crash and AMC will decouple. As you guys notice, SPY has been moving down, AMC has been moving up. And then we also have tech stocks being used for Apple collateral or for AMC short collateral. So Apple stock, NVIDIA stock, stocks like that are used for AMC collateral. And that's why when those stocks go down, AMC goes up. All right, GME looking good for continued upside. I do think it's going to continue up a little bit more and then get rejected and close green on the day, finding support closing green on the day. AMC looks like it's about to get another push up because SPY is about to get another push up. If SPY can hold that 449, we're going to see SPY push for 451. So we want to see if SPY can hold 449 and see if it can start making that way to 451. Let me go ahead and try to look at SPY real quick to see how much momentum we have here and what we're looking at on SPY. And this will help us give us momentum to the upside. Okay, so SPY's coming back down, but let's see what momentum it has. It's kind of losing momentum. So SPY looks like it's probably going to have a hard time with this 459. We will see. We will see. It looks like it's going to have a really hard time with it today. It might not end up breaking that today, so we will see about that. If we can get a little bit of a tailwind behind AMC, that would help push AMC up a little bit. But looking at AMC, we were about to get, oh man, we were about to get that 5-minute cross again. So what we're going to be looking for here on AMC is getting this 5-minute MACD cross. Again, we wanted to just consolidate through this period of time where we're getting this MACD cross. I called out the MACD cross that we would get it at 10:45, 11 o'clock, and we got the MACD cross at like 11:05, so around that range. We want to, it looks like it's going to cross back to green at I would say 1 o'clock. I'd say about 1 o'clock we could be looking for a green cross here on the 5-minute time frame, and this will give us the momentum we need to push up. But the major thing that we need to realize here is that we broke out of this ascending. We have a, so on the bigger time frame we have this ascending channel, which is a bullish channel. We broke out of it to the upside, and we're currently using it as support. What that means tomorrow is that we could go crazy. If earnings comes in hot and we are good, we could go crazy tomorrow. If we're above this line by tomorrow, if we're above this channel by tomorrow, and we're still above this channel, we could go crazy. I mean, guys, look at this move. This is a pretty parabolic move. We have a breakout here of this expanding megaphone, getting this pushed upside. We retested it once, retested it twice. So retested it once, retested it twice, push up. And we had this uptrend, and then we just went parabolic. Let's see. All right, looks like it's coming back down a little bit, 516. We're just waiting for this MACD flip on the 5. All right, this looks really bullish. That kind of looks like a bull flag. Let's go down to 30-minute. Kinda, but not quite. All right, hold on. We're gonna go back down to the 5-minute. We just want to hold this line of support. London, UK, what up? All right, I do apologize if you guys are getting some interruptions. Looks like we had good connection for a good hour or two. Looks like we might get a little bit of buffering, so I do apologize if you guys get a little bit of buffering. We had a good connection for about 2 hours, an hour or two. Looks like we're getting a little bit of buffering, so I do apologize about that. Still working out a few kinks here. Just bear with me, but I do appreciate you. A lot of people are saying if you switch to your phone, it works a lot better. I do apologize for the inconvenience. All right, it looks like we're making the move that we need to break. We need to break that 519 as resistance. You guys can see that resistance line acting as resistance there. We need to break that line. All right, looks like we're getting a clean break. All right, this is good. This is good. All right, we got our connection back. I do apologize for the lag. We're back on exit connection. I don't know why, but sometimes it fluctuates. I do apologize. Trying to get this set up for this week, though. We're going to do a test run of this week of streaming. Riverview, what up? Yeah, I'm from Tampa. Hit my Instagram up. All right, good connection back. We calling out the plays here. You guys know where to come if you want the plays, if you want the shots called. So let me run back what we did this morning. We called out this bull flag, right? We called out the bull flag. So we knew we were going to get a push to the upside. We seen this push to the upside. Then we called out this double top. We had a double top right here. We knew we would be returning back to these levels. Then we identified this upsloping resistance level. We have this trend line that we identified here during stream. Identified that trend line, came back down, used it as support. We watched it live, come back down and retest it, confirming it as support. Then we got a clean bounce off of that, and we have been trending up ever since. What I expect now, let's see. We are getting a 5-minute MACD flip that we're looking for. Okay, we're getting that 5-minute MACD cross. It's still early, but we're getting the 5-minute MACD cross. We're going to look for this retest of 528. It looks like we're definitely going to be retesting 528 today. That's the intraday high. I do expect us to be retesting the intraday high. Will we break it is the question. We're going to at least be testing 525. 525 at the minimum. We're going to go ahead and pop on the alligator, show you guys. Again, you want to keep it simple. You don't want to use too many indicators. Just keep it simple. Keep it clean. All right, you guys can see that we have our bullish cross on the alligator, and they're starting to spread apart, showing us momentum is building. This is looking really, really good, y'all. We're going to see some nice upside. I did place a trade earlier today. Again, do not copy my trades. But I did place a trade earlier today and was able to grab. All right, looks like we're still on good connection. I do apologize for a little bit of lag. Might be getting some usage here. Let's see. I didn't realize I had so many people from Florida in this bit. All right, we're looking good for this push up here. We're going to want to watch these levels. Hold on. All right, what I might need to do is re-enter the stream. Because my computer's dumb and it switched to the wrong internet. So if the lag gets too bad, I'm going to switch to a different stream because my computer's dumb and switch to a different internet that I didn't want it to switch to. Here, I'm just going to try to switch it. You guys, I'm just gonna try to switch it to see what happens, y'all. If it drops, I'll come back on. Oh, I see what happened. Okay. All right, we're working this out midstream. We're looking good for this upside, y'all. We're up 6% on the day. Up 6% today. And Jimmy turned green. Can we get the intraday high for me and the team? Go AMC green. All right, MACD just flipped. We got the MACD flip here. We're at 588% on the day. Jimmy just turned green at 0.24%. 2103. Jimmy is getting that pushed upside that I did expect to come. I do expect Jimmy to close on the green as well. We will see if that comes to fruition or not. We're looking at a MACD flip here on the 5-minute time frame, and we're holding that key level of support that we need to hold. This is look bullish for, again, the retest of 528. This is exactly what we were looking for throughout the day. Hey, I slid the IG, hit me. I was just down in Ybor yesterday for a little get together. I say it like Ebor because I'm from up north, but I know it's pronounced Ybor. I'm originally from up north. All right, we're seeing a nice push up here on AMC. So we could start to get interesting here. All right. This is what we're looking at. This could get good quick. Hold on, y'all. Let me go ahead and pop on these bands. Let me see what these bands are talking about. All right, that makes a lot of sense. All right, so what AMC's telling me right now is she's trying to make another. So when I say parabolic, that doesn't mean like we're going to $20, $30. It's just making a parabolic move on this time frame. But what a parabolic move is when we go outside of the bands and we use them as support. We did it here and we did it here. That's pretty much a straight up move. Especially if we look at the 1 minute time frame, you guys will see that we pretty much rid the bands all the way up. So AMC is trying to make either a really big push or we're going to have to come back down to $5.20 as support, consolidate, and again get a push up. So we're going to look what happens here. Again, we're either looking for a really big push up or a consolidate coming back down to about 520 and consolidate. RSI kind of hot here on the 1 minute, so we want to watch for that. RSI definitely hot here on the 1 minute. So yeah, this is going to be a crucial time where either AMC either just rockets or has to come back down and consolidate for a second. Possibly forming a cup and handle right here. You guys can see right here's your cup. And then that would make your handle. So if we've seen something like this. If that were to play out, it'd be something like that. What's up, LA? Canada, even Canada in the building. Yo, we are literally global. We are literally global. Said I got completely hammered in Ybor 5 years ago. Going to visit my pop. That place wild, right? Should I try to switch? Yo, what do you guys think? Should I try to switch midstream or should I switch streams or should I just let it go? On the internet. I want to switch to the better router so it's smooth like it was. It's saying green now, though, so that's up to you guys. This one kind of fluctuates, but the other one's more stable. But it might cut the stream. But I kind of just want to rock out. All right, so it looks like this is what's playing out. Looks like we're going to get rejected and come down and consolidate and go up. We'll see. Bro, we are literally all over from England to Canada to the Philippines and then all over the United States. Everyone hearing this, bless y'all. God bless y'all. If you're just coming in, go ahead and press that like. Go ahead and press that like button. If you don't mind, go ahead and press that like button. We're almost at 2,000 views. $256 likes. Yeah, if you're just coming in, press that like button. Scotland. Yo, Scotland, bro. We just got another one. We just got another one, y'all. Scotland in the building. Bro, Scotland, Philippines, Canada, all over the U.S., England. All in the building. Bro, this is crazy. All right, let's see if this cup and handle plays out. What we're looking for is this cup. The handle might be a little bit deeper than this. It might come down to like this level here. But it looks like that's what's possibly going to play out. We're going to see here in a second. It might come down to here or it might come down to this level and then go up. But our breakout target is going to be this level. 525 is going to be our breakout. If we can break above 525, you're going to see her push. Now, as far as today, it's still very early, so it's very possible that we could see her break above 525 today. Again, I'm been saying the whole day that I do think we're going to at least test intraday highs. I think we could break intraday highs. We kind of have a sloping. This is going to be crucial. Thoughts on AN and Y for a short squeeze? I'd have to look at it. Another one, Mexico and Norway. Y'all just playing now. Y'all got to be playing now. Y'all just got to be saying stuff, y'all. There's no way. There's no way, bro. We are totally 100% like no joke global in the building. All right, let's see it play out. Let's see it play out. We got the play on the screen. We're looking for a push past 425. $25, 425. right, we're looking good. We're looking good. We're looking good. We want to see a break of that. Stop doing that, bro. Stop playing with me. We got a strong uptrend and support here. Descending right here. This is getting kind of crazy, like a bull flag. You see it? Up, up. Is it going to play out the cup and handle? If not, we have a lot of support, but we might have to come all the way back here. Look at them bands. Hold up. Hold up. Bands are starting to constrict. Volatility building, volatility building. All right, we looking good. Hold on. We're looking for this cup and handle possibly. Let's see what else. All right, we're looking for this possible cup and handle here. We have this strong uptrend. Bollinger Band starting to constrict. Let me pop on that alligator, see what it's talking about. Let's see what this alligator talking about. Hold on. All right, let me see what he's talking about. All right, so alligator's telling me that we do got plenty of momentum, but what MACD's telling me is that we reached our peak of momentum and we're going to start seeing a little bit of bearishness come in here, which would have us come back down to either 520 or 519 in this range. We've been pretty on point all day from the flag to the double bottom, flag to double bottom play, and then call of the bounce here. So we will see. I am expecting if we start seeing this alligator curl, that's going to be a good sign of we're coming back down to test these levels here. One of these two. It's going to be 520 roughly, and then 518. All right, so we got the Philippines. Someone said Russia? No way. I think I seen a Russia in there. Oh, retail. Ape is a barcoding machine. Yeah, the background music's dope, right? Thank you. This is the most lit AMC stream. Welcome to it. Hope you all are having fun in the chat. Hope you all are enjoying yourselves. Having a good Monday. Coming live to you from Tampa, Florida. Shout out to you and your city. Jimmy is queen on the day. the day at 21.05. SPY trying to push for that 450 level. If it can use 450, I do apologize. If SPY can break this 450, which it looks like it's doing, it will go to $451. Looking bullish. Looking bullish for more upside on SPY. Able to give GME and AMC a bit of a tailwind. And this will help push us up. You'll see GME get a nice recovery off of this. GME is looking bullish as well. GME looking bullish right now. Possibly going to see a little bit of a pullback on GME. Let's go ahead and pop in on AMC. AMC currently up 5.98% on the day. 5.98% on the day. AMC starting to show a little bit of weakness, possibly coming back down to those levels that I told you guys about. We will see. MACD starting to show a little bit of weakness too. We're looking for a cup and handle type breakout or a possible bull flag type breakout. Here, I'm about to tag the Instagram and the Twitter.
U999 cooking.
All right, we are back. And AMC showing a little bit of signs of weakness here. We will see, though. She's been showing a lot of signs of strength all day. We will see what happens. We are about to find out. If you're just coming in, go ahead and press that like button for me. I appreciate y'all for spending your money with me. I hope you're having a blessed evening today. Welcome to the most lit, most dope, friendliest chat here on AMC community. You won't find anyone like it. My goal is to build the greatest AMC ape community. And with your guys' help, I'm going to do it.
U999 cooking.
All right, AMC's current price, 523, 523. Sitting at 524 currently, 6.28% up on the day. What a beautiful, beautiful trade. GME up as well. If you hold both, your portfolio is seeing green. By the way, my Instagram and Twitter are linked in every single video in the bottom of the video, every single video in the comments, and under the video description. Follow me, y'all. All right, this is what we're looking at for AMC as she continues to show so much strength today. Lots of buying. We are seeing what's called a Wyckoff accumulation pattern playing out. People are going long. Alright guys, peep game. Look how much more institutions are buying AMC. 39%. Lots of new buy orders. Go AMC, go AMC. Hey, hey, hey. Clean 6.2% up on the day. I'll take it. Give me that. We're looking good over here. It's Money Monday, y'all. It's Money Monday. Thank you for stopping by. I appreciate you. Hedge funds buying and holding just like we are. Y'all, you know they deleted that analyst that gave that Goldman price rating too, right? Yeah, they got rid of that guy. And they got rid of the price target. I only speak English. Is that a shot at my Ebonics? Was that a shot at my Ebonics? All right. Where we at with the Amy? Let's see. Let's check in on good on Amy. All right, I want everyone to be very, very clear. We're seeing the MACD start to flip. Heavy resistance. So what we're going to be doing is coming down a little bit. Probably retesting these lower levels that I did warn you guys about. Got to keep it real. You got to keep it 100. We're still up a good 5.9% on the day. I'll take that. Dollars in the chat. Show the Wyckoff. Wyckoff can't show a squeeze unless it shows one. Yeah, they offed him. They offed that dude. Analysts found, you know what I mean, in the New York Creek. That was that dude, man. I'm telling y'all. I mean, that's a conspiracy, yo. That's a theory. Conspiracies have a bad name. Man, the chat is going crazy. The chat is going crazy. The stream is going crazy. We're almost at 2,000 views. 272 likes. I will 100% be doing this again tomorrow. Tune in tomorrow at 9 o'clock. I will try to be on at 9 o'clock, 9:30 at the absolute latest, y'all. 9:30 at the absolute latest. If I'm a little bit later, I do apologize. Tune in tomorrow. I will be definitely doing this. This was a success, in my opinion. It was a good day. We got a good stream. We got a good trade. Chilling with good people. I appreciate y'all.